Guys, today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do first, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to record auto stop, click in this sign here. So like you see this color show for us, that's mean here record auto stop enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you I give it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.